So we have everything we need right here to get to these SPARCO front seats. The best and easiest ways, whether it be on a street car, race car, it's obviously the front seats, both for performance and for the looks of it. And this being a street car, SPARCO offers a few different street type seats. So right here, these are the R333s. I'm gonna unbox them completely to show you guys the shape, and I really think that they're gonna add this fully contemporized look to the interior of the car. It's an OEM type fabric, really easy to clean. You can use harnesses if you need to, but it's just simple and clean. I didn't do two-tone, just black on black on black. You got the SPARCO seat brackets right here for the floor, and then you have the sliders and everything that we need. So we're gonna start putting everything together and mock it up to go into the cabin of the car. Okay, let's go. So the first thing is test this out right here. I already took out the passenger seat, unplugged the harness and everything. So let's check the bracket. That hole lines up right there. That one lines up right there. We've got some cleaning up we need to do. Crazy how I just had the whole thing detailed, but we're gonna have to definitely clean that up. But I really like the way they did the SPARCO S's right there. But the bracket sits nicely. That's the tab for the seat belt mount. So we know the floor bracket is good. Sliders, floor bracket. Let's go. Alright, you guys, let me show it to you. Here is what they look like installed, both front seats. The shadowing right now is crazy. We're gonna get out of the sunlight, but I wanted to show this to you guys. Branding is great. You have the knob here, quick access to the back. We're definitely gonna customize the rear seats, but you can see the seat, the look of that, and you have access to the rear. Let's get that adjusted. Bam! OCD about symmetry. But there it is. I also added the SPARCO R350B front steering wheel and the hub right there, SPARCO hub. The B, they have the 350 and the 350B. This one has the buttons for horns, things like that. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to run a radio or something custom. The doubled in, which shifter I want to use. But as far as two major components of a car feeling classy and good, front seats and the 333s are modern and really have a non-Japanese type shaping to them. It's just a good look. Appreciate you guys being here. Shout out to the homies at Auto Tune. Detailed up the interior. You can see the carpet's nice and clean, and the seats really just add to the class of this DC5 street build. So thank you guys for being here. Turn 14 distribution, Big Mike Edition, DC5 street build, SPARCO interior setup. There's more to come. Stay tuned, guys.